DIY how to easily make a table. These tables are easy and quick to make and add props to your dioramas. This is a cardboard tube I covered with a wood tone contact paper, and it makes a nice pedestal for building quick tables. These can be broken down and stored away in a small space. I picked this up at Home Depot. It's a flooring sample. You probably pick these up. I just don't get too greedy. If you wanted to, you could probably color the edges black or brown. That way they're not white, and they make a nice, easy table. You can make several of these and have them as maybe bar tables or tables to put maps on to plot out things. In addition to this, you could also use rock slabs if you have rock and mineral stores nearby. I just happen to have relatives who collect and cut these rocks into slabs, so I have plenty of these. And they also make a really nice table, just a very natural looking, or maybe something that you would see in like a museum diorama or something like that. I found this at Goodwill. I think it was some sort of display stand for who knows what. 99 cents. I couldn't pass it up. The string helps hold it together so it doesn't just fall flat. And you can just set rock slabs or planks of wood on here and create another easy table. This could be like a coffee table or end table. Just anything you want. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing and click that notification bell so you don't miss out. I upload videos every Sunday and Thursday at 8:30 Pacific Standard Time, AM. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next one.